Okay, we are back again. We are back again. Okay, now I am audible. Okay, perfect. So now, sorry for the interruption because my laptop's Wi-Fi got disconnected, and that's why the YouTube could not handle the stream. Okay, so find something is a great extension. It can list a lot of things like this. So now we see that there is user slash login, and it says that this is incomplete path. There are some URLs. There are some static URLs, I guess. The one thing it says that users login. So let's say user slash login, where it will redirect. It says that the page does not exist. Okay, that's completely fine. Okay, so now we know our username is admin. Hello Aditya, welcome back to the stream. How is it going? वर्क बाउंड्री कैसा जा रहा है एंड पढ़ाई वढ़ाई कैसे चल रहा है? So now we can do is we can brute force this admin panel. So I will open my Burp Suite. All right. So there are all right. There are two amazing people from Egypt just joined in my stream. Welcome.
Welcome, brother.
How is it going?
How are you?
Hello.
Nice, nice. So,
How are you, Nixon?
good, good. I'm good.
Open share screen for your live.
Yeah, yeah, I can share my screen. Hold on. So the first thing we can do, we can enumerate the password. So how we can do that? We need a password file that we don't have. So we will download one password file from the internet. We'll search um, top 10k password and we will enter GitHub. So it will list 10,000 used password previously, and I will download one of them. You can see these are all the passwords. We can just copy, right? No, we can't copy. Okay, it's downloaded now. I will open my bug suite. This is my most used pirated bug suite. My laptop is lagging so bad because in the background it's running Kali Linux. Yo guys, what is going on? Why you guys are muted?
You have to focus, bro.
You are focusing on my stream?
I don't wanna annoying you. I don't wanna annoying you, bro.
Wow. Wow. That's something new.
Yes.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set my proxy to burp suite and I'm gonna send this request one more time. I think this panel has rate limit on it. I guess so. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna visit the proxy tab, HTTP history, and this is our request. So we are gonna send this to repeater. Actually, not in repeater, but in intruder. So now we are gonna set the username, the password, and we are gonna select an attack type. So sniper attacks are the attack we perform in like single place. So if there is only one place I want to brute force, let's suppose the username, we will select sniper attack. But we have two places to attack, so I will select either pitchfork or cluster bomb. But both has different work, and we use this on different purpose. So let's see what is it. Allocate a payload to set each position. Intruder iterates through each set in parallel. Allocate a payload set to each position. Intruder iterate through all possible combination of each set. So that's not. I think that's what we want. So I will select cluster bomb and I will visit the payload section and I will load a file. And this is our downloaded file, and this is our 10,000 common passwords. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna deselect this. I don't know it will work for us or not, and I will reduce the resource pool because BMW has a special rule. We can use only 2 requests per second, and I will say I need to send it after 1500 milliseconds, so it will like 1.5 seconds, and I think that's it. I will start the attack. Oh, my bad. Oh, my bad. I think I forgot that the username is already, I know the username already. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna say sniper attack. The resource pool is same, and I have to start the attack. You can see it will check one by one. Admin 1 2 3 4 5 6, admin 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and by one it will list all the possible results. It will check the username and the password, and it will show us the user code or the status code, not user code. What happened to my English, I don't know, but it will list the status codes. So if we get anything like 200 or 301 or 302, that would be a great thing for us, but it's now all 400, which is account cooldown. Okay, my bad. So the account got logged out, so now we know that the account, this login page has something like IP block or account lock, that kind of stuff. So how we can bypass it? Maybe X forwarded for, and we will enter the 127.0.0.1, which is localhost, and we'll start the attack again. It's still 400, that means it didn't work, so we'll close the attack. Guys, can I ask a favor? Hello, hello, special people.
Hey,
Yeah. So can you, I know you don't need to be in the stream, uh, so can you both like do the rest of the recon or the hunting process we did?
I don't understand you. Can
uh,
you write?
yeah, I can write it.
Sorry. Sorry. No problem.
Yeah, perfect. So which one is no problem? Are you guys going for the hunt?
Yeah, I'm hunting right now.
Oh, that's perfect. Okay, perfect.
I have two screen, hunting on the screen and watching the other.
Okay. Do the rest of it, and I am doing the stream. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
If there anything interested, check me
Uh,
in Discord.
yeah. Yeah. Sure. I will inform you.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay, so what is going on? We can't perform the brute force here, so we have to find manually. There is the Oh my god. There is the CP resources, CPJs. We can copy these URLs and we can paste it here to see if these contain any good informations. Because, well, what we did up to, we up to a lot of things. We found admin panel, we found a lot of things. These are all from members only video, members only live stream. So yeah, now we are doing the public stream and next stream will be members only. So I guess to know the whole process or to know the whole thing, you need to be a member. Right now we are in an admin panel where we know the user is admin and we have to find the password only. So this is pretty great, but one thing to note is the BMW does not use any CMS that has default credentials. As I saw till now, Craft CMS does not have any default credentials and they use other CMS that has no default credentials. But I have one location where one vulnerability exists and we have to exploit that. We found that and I will update it soon. So I will update it soon. Right now, what we are doing is, I think this is, I think this is the directory of image. Guys, do like, okay? Do like if you are new. There is a payment thing going on, jQuery payment. Let's open this. Let's close this. Oh, so it redirect us, okay. That's totally fine. Love your content, buddy. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Don't forget to like the stream then. What is that extension? This is find something. Find something extension. You can download it. This is pretty awesome extension. And welcome back to the stream, Aditya Harikumar. Oh, there is one URL. It says index.php. I think this is because of this thing. So if we look at the source page, we know there is an admin user. So yeah, that's it, I guess. Let's open this. Big fan. What? Big fan? I have fans? What are you talking about? Ah, it redirect us to the same page. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's delete this and I think the parameter p is seems interesting to me. It says page not found, which is another interesting thing. So what if we delete the action? Just say admin. Okay, that didn't work. That's completely fine. The one thing we can do is we can do directory brute force, but directory brute force is going on my background, and I found some endpoints that I don't want to show, I guess. So I don't want to show right now, but that's completely okay. There is remember meeting going on, CSRF token. There are some JS files. There is login.js. There is p3.js. Okay. There is nothing interesting. Is there any? There is nothing too. Oh, there is. There is something. Bro, where are those live hunting days 2, 3, 4 videos? Uh, which one? Hold on. I think I think there are videos. Okay, let me clear one thing. Okay, let me show you that. Actually, my internet is not slow. My laptop is getting slow. There's a lot of thing going on. You can see in the bottom of the laptop how many things are going. Come on, come on, come on. How many bugs have you found till now in BMW in total? I didn't count it, but I found one, two, and some are in process. Yeah, I found some good bugs, but no, didn't report it yet. And you guys have idea of that if you know, if you watched my members only video, like members only stream. Hi sir, कैसे हो? बढ़िया बढ़िया. What about you? Okay, let me show you in the browser of. Let me show you this here. You see these streams, like if you watching it from the starting, that's completely okay. If you didn't watch these videos, these streams, watch these streams. These are great stream. And don't watch this tree actually. Ignore this tree. These are gaming stream I did. And there is members only stream. So if you know members only stream, I explained very closely. Like if you don't know anything about bug hunting, you want to start bug hunting, okay, these streams are perfect for you. I explained everything in detail to one guy. There is one member in my channel right now. I explained everything to him, and I hope you will understand it too. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 members only stream. I will do members only stream in future too, and I hope I will put this stream in members only too. So yeah, if you if you love my content, then you should go for members only content. And I do like public bug hunting as well. Public bug hunting is free, but for the members only, you can join my membership. This is like very negligible money, 60 rupees per month. I think you can afford it. Man, do you try SQLi on BMW? The first thing, that BMW does not use SQL for their database. That's first thing. They don't use SQL for the database. Any SQL related database. This craft CMS. That's complete. Let me check other. Let me check other domain as well. How good are in um, finding SQLi? What is the time of members only stream? Members only streams will be same time at the same time, from the 7 in India time, this time, like 8 p.m. to 9 p.m., or from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. or 8:30 p.m. And I think only three streams, I think. Public stream is two, and private stream is three, I guess. I don't know. I will let you know in the Discord very soon. So this endpoint is also interesting. It seems very interesting to me. I found this inside the view source page. If you run directory brute force, you can't find any directory like that. So you have to find the directory inside the source page. If you go inside the source page, you will see there is another interesting endpoint, which is BMW web. Okay, that's completely fine. You can see it returned the CSS. Which bug class is your favorite? Access control. I love access control bugs. So what we can do, we can brute force from here. So if we say admin, don't get anything. Nope, we don't get anything. But we can take a note of this directory. www.bmwhk.com. Okay, bro, I have found one AT&T endpoint where there is admin login. When I use default create, I get given user is disabled contact admin system. What should I do? Okay, let me read it again. Bro, I found one AT&T endpoint where there is admin login. When I use default credential, I get given user is disabled contact admin system. What should I do? What should you do? You can contact me. You can contact me in Discord about the issue. I can take a look. Should I give you? Yeah, you can give me. Maybe I can take a look on that. Incomplete paths. Okay, forget this endpoint. I will never come this end. I will never come to this endpoint. Okay, hold on, guys. One important people message me. Okay. Now, where are we? So let's open our notes and what we observed that I already told you this endpoint, right? Or not this endpoint. This endpoint. This endpoint do exist inside this domain, and it's giving something that we can't read. So if we say en, will it work? To provide an even better online experience, we are currently updating the BMW Insider online exclusive platform. This website is temporarily suspending its service, so it's not giving us the service we want. So what we can do, we can check. There is nothing inside the source page, but there is one thing. There is data directory, which is very interesting thing. Now if we go data, I will get forbidden. Now you may ask me, well, how did you get that directory? Because you are doing this like in front of us, right? No, I already did this in offline, and how I did that, that's what I am showing you. So there is a data endpoint and this is forbidden. This is very interesting. Now we have to find the bypass thing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open my extension, I'm gonna close my request minimizer, I will load my 403 bypasser. I think this will give me error. Please don't give me error, please. This gave me error. I had this. So what I can do, I can copy this and I can check for 403 bypass. So let me do that. Okay, I want to see how you exploited admin will not work here. Admin will not here work here. I am doing this for 5 hours, I guess, more than that. I will work on that target in more than 7 hours today, and I checked all the possibilities. So admin will not work. So I will enter that URL and it will do its job. It will check if the 403 bypass is possible. So let it do its job. We will come back to browser and forget this extension. To reduce the load of my laptop, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a target which is bmwhk.com. Okay, it filtered out. I said for this once check. I don't think this will work. So we got offers and use store. There is the admin. There is the CP source. The CP source has the all the JS files, all the CS files, all that thing. CSS files, not CS files. CSS files. It is using PHP. That's correct, and I hope they are using the 7.3.33. I guess that's what they're using. PHP 7.3.33. Where is it? Here. It's taking some time. Yeah, you can see they are using the PHP 7.3.33. So when you do in right way, when you do the recon right way, you know what is your application is using. So it became more easy to do the checklist. Our 403 bypasser is still going on, and it found some 200 okay response, but those all are junk. Okay, these all are junk. Why I am saying this? It's because of this thing. If you know this double dot, this double dot means uh, one directory before, so it will come back to this directory. So it has 2986 size, 2986 size, you can see, and that's why it's giving us the result, the 200 status code and with the length. But in reality it didn't work. Okay, in reality it didn't work. Yeah, so forget that. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna visit this website. This is another amazing website. You can see this is pretty basic. Now this is one of the irritating website I have seen in BMW, because I don't know, this feels like some cheap website. There is one music sound, copyright. I don't want copyright. So there is nothing inside the JS files as well. There is nothing inside this as well. There is nothing going on. There is nothing going on, but it has some interesting things. It has some interesting endpoints. So if we go at this endpoint, if we go at this endpoint, the PHP my admin, it will ask for the username and the password. Now I checked some of the username or the password, it didn't work, so I cancelled it, and it gave me the welcome to PHP my admin, user name and the password is wrong, access is denied. So what I did, I saw the view source page, it didn't, it asked for the username and the password again. I clicked the cancel button and it showed me the view source page. That's pretty awesome. So there is one directory that says db structure, and it is also asking for the username and the password. Yeah, so if we find one username and the password, we can enumerate the whole system. We can take over the whole system. We have everything. So there is a lot of JS files, we can take a look at them to find any clue of the username and the password. There is config.js, there is rt.js, There is a lot of thing going on. So let's check all of them. And if you guys are enjoying the stream, then don't forget to like the stream. We have 4 likes and we are 1 like behind. Sorry for the bad English. My English is broken. It has nothing interesting. No, nothing interesting. Let's check the page setting. The page setting looks interesting to me because it's saying page setting.js. Oh, it's ये तो शुरू होते ही खत्म हो गया. शुरू होने से पहले ही खत्म हो गया. This is JS. Very interesting. So I have a question, but I will ask it later. Saves the database name. It's changed. New DB. Open URL. So this is the database thing going on here. So is there any database information? There is a upload URL you can see and it says import.php. So let's check if this endpoint is accessible. Not this. Oh, it also need the username and the password. Bro, need to try this parameter in SQL map. Which one? Which parameter? This also need the import.php is the upload URL, but this is also need the username and the password. That's so sad. That should not happen. Okay. Guys, do like this stream if you are new and you enjoying my like. V equal to 4.0.0.1. If you don't know what is this parameter and the value, let me tell you. This is the parameter V. It's because of the version, and this is the version value. So this will never work. Okay, this will never work because this is the version parameter are not vulnerable to SQL injection, and BMW does not use SQL thing, SQL database. They sometimes use, but mostly they don't use SQL. They prefer other things. There's a config.js file somewhere else, or this is the config.js. It's completely okay. One thing I can check is git. Not found. Okay, that's completely okay. Another thing I can check is package.json. It also not found. That also completely fine. Guys, did you like the stream? Did you? Ask yourself, did you like the stream? I don't think so. मजे में देख रहे सब। Hmm, I got disconnected. What is going on? We found some informations. Let me show you. This is the PHP admin page. It asked for the username and the password. We don't have username and the password, and it's saying access denied. So we tried to see the view source page, but it also asking for username and password. So what we did, we cancelled it, and it revealed the view source page. It revealed the JS files. It revealed the thing. Now I don't know, and you neither don't know that this thing itself a vulnerability or not. So we have to find some valuable information inside these JS files or this view source page. So right now that's what we are doing. And if we find anything, that will be a great thing because of this PHP admin username and password page. So if we find any username and password, we can try that one. We found an upload page, but that also asks for passwords. So I don't think password, I don't have any password. If we can find one password, then there will be more possibilities that we can enumerate other domains as well. So that's what I'm doing. You can see there is a URL. There is a URL going on. This is a post request. Okay, let me check this. Oh, it also asks what? Yeah, it also asks for the username and the password. So let me do one thing, okay? Let me do one thing. Let me open this and let me open the HTTP proxy. This is the request. Send this request, and it's saying that this is 401, which is completely okay, not something that is unusual. There's a set cookie which is PHP admin. So let's see if we can bypass this. Let's change the request. It also 401. Did it change? Okay, hold on. The size of this thing. What is the size? 9,000. Okay. And this is also 9,700. Okay. Both has the same size. Both has the same size. There is something going on. It's still saying that it is 401. Hmm. There's a path mode SQL, which is also interesting. Not found. Not found. Let me see manually. I forget the extension name. Can you tell me? Yeah, I can tell you. It's find find something. The extension name is find something. Guys, do like the stream if you're new. Okay, don't forget that. Very junk website. There is nothing interesting, but we have interesting things. There is nothing interesting, but we have interesting thing. Let me show you something very interesting. And that is mm, I guess this thing. Okay, so if I open this website, okay, if I open this website, you see, you get this very dumb website, web page, very not interactive. So if we check the showdown, if we check the showdown for the port, open port, you can see there is no other ports open. Okay, so there is no other ports open, but there is a path. What is the path? There is a config path. So when I open the config path, it redirects us to this port, and this is admin login panel. You can see, and it says username and password. So we have to figure out what is the username and the password again. Now, interesting, very interesting. Yes, this is very interesting. Now there is one more interesting thing going on. You want to see? Do you guys want to see one more interesting thing in this page? That is very interesting. Do you guys want to see that? Tell me in the comment. Do you guys want to see that ultimate interesting thing? Okay, one yes there. There is two yes. I think two yes is enough. So let me show you. This is the page we don't know, right? We can, okay, there is a big yes. So this is a page we can find, like by enumerating. We can enumerate, like we can directory brute force, like config the easiest directory brute force file, and everyone will get this page. But what is hidden inside this page, that is very important thing. So there is very hidden thing, there is very hidden interesting thing. You can see when I open the view source page, the page is slide. Okay, so if I search API, you will see there is one API login. So when I open this API login, this is very interesting, look at this carefully. When I open API login, it says 405 method not allowed. So you can't actually brute force this using your directory brute force tool. So how you can get this login panel? Well, you have to do it manually. That's why I love manual hunting. That's why I do. You should do manual hunting. It says 405 method not allowed. So now what you do, you open your burp suite, you go here and you send this request to repeater. Now here is another thing to notice, every error message has interesting points. So when I send this, it says method not allowed, so I have to change the method. That means we have to send a post method or any other method. So to check that, we can do a head method, which is headers. It will check, not headers, I want options, right? Options. So when I will send options, oh, not option, I guess it is option or options. Okay, it says options is also not allowed. That is very interesting. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna say post method, because post is one of that request that is sent by the body or through the login page. And there is also another thing, you can see the method is post already written inside the view source page. So I am sending a post request, so send this post request. Now it's getting an error. So what is this error? It's saying unexpected end of JSON input. So I have to send an JSON input. This is not a JSON data. So how we can get a JSON data? Well, to get a JSON data, we need to send a JSON thing. So how we can do that? We can say content type, content type application slash JSON. Now if we send this, you will get what the fuck, something happened just because of we didn't provide any other information. So what I will enter, something like username, and it will be admin, and password, it will be password. So let's send this. Now you see the thing changed. What it got? It got an invalid character you looking for beginning of the object key string, right? So now what I'm gonna do? It's because of I entered the wrong thing. So now I enter this thing. Now if you send this, you see it says unauthorized. There is no role. Now you can see it says unauthorized. That means now you can access the login panel. How did you get here? You get here from nothing. You get here from nothing, a page that is not even accessible, a page that is not accessible. Now you are getting an unauthorized error. That means you need a username and you need a password. So this is a pretty hidden login panel. I hope you liked it. One more thing we can do is we can check for the role. The guy is saying cookie role equal to admin. We can do that, or we can do this. Yeah, I think this will not work for now. Why you are pro man? Yo, like the stream then. That's what all I need. Like and subscribe. Not subscribe, watching live and sometimes membership. That's all what I need. Well, what all request can we make? That's what all request we can make is this is a login page. We can request username and password. That's what we do in a normal login page. But because this login page is totally hidden under underground, so this may be vulnerable, or this may be not found yet. And if you can brute force this, then this is a API login panel. You will get into like API thing that will be very sensitive. Okay, and this seems also very interesting because this is direct admin login page. You can see it says direct admin login page. I hope this is not a CMS. Direct admin CMS. Oh, direct admin is a CMS. Default password username. You can see there is no single default username and the password for direct admin CMS. When you have direct admin installed, you should use the admin user with the password provided by your hosting provider on their onboarding email. So the username is admin, we know username is admin, and we have to enumerate the password. So that's pretty interesting thing. So I think for the API, it's also admin, and now we have to enumerate the password only. So I will load the password. This is the 10k most common password, and what I will do, I will decode this resource pool. I will send 2 requests per second. I will start the attack. Big bounty loading. That hurts. There is tons of things. There is a lot of things I can show in this single stream, but I can't show that just because of the demonetization thing. Otherwise I could show you guys. Okay, there's a lot of thing I can show in the stream. That's why I moved to members only stream, but there is only one member, Aditya, and is a good guy. He's a great guy, but that became like a problem because if I make members only content and I shows them, you guys don't even know that I'm showing that in members only. And if you guys don't know I'm showing that, then there is no sense that I will make money. So I'm not making money, you are not getting knowledge, so I think there is no sense. That's why I'm doing this public stream. Why could you have taken but no membership in Nepal? Oh, okay. No, not a problem. Membership has two thing. One thing, I get a little money. Like you pay 60 rupees, I get only 30 rupees. So I like whole month. You are paying me 30 rupees for whole month, and I teach you 30 whole month for 30 rupees. Can you imagine? I am teaching you cyber security bug bounty for 30 rupees a month. Bro, your tuition teacher take 500 rupees a month or 1,000 rupees a month. I'm taking a 30 rupees. And another thing, that the privacy matters. If I find something that should not show, I could delete or private the stream, but in public stream I can't do that. So let it run in the background, I guess. Okay, it's stuck at 49. Okay, I have caps lock on. Okay, let it run. Okay, let it run. Okay, I think that was it for today. That was a small stream of 1 hour. I hope you liked the manipulation, all that stuff, and how you can get this interesting things. Now you can see one like red flag of this is clear text submission of password. So this is pretty bad. Look at this. Look at this. They use database manager as PHP myadmin. They don't use SQL or SQL thing. Oh, they use SQL. My bad. My bad. My what a bad timing. What a bad timing was that. All right, guys. It that was it for today. I hope this stream was helpful and informative. Good night, everyone. So if you have any question, you can ask. Can try SQLI also? Yeah, you can try SQLI because they are using SQL injection. They are using SQLI. Please, what? Why? Which please? Why please? Please for what? Yeah, one thing I can do. Okay, let's do one thing. Okay, let's do one thing. Okay, let's do one thing for the last time. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's check SQL injection. I have the proxy set. Here's the proxy set. Login. Okay. This is the request. They are using JSON. I don't know if JSON will work in that case, but I think it will not work. So let's come back. Let's come back. Let's gedit sql txt to save. I don't know if they will work or not. So SQL map live. This thing, I will remove this. I will remove this as well. I will increase the level to 3 and the risk to 2, not 3, 2. Current user frustration bash thread 1. I think thread will be 2. Delay 3, timeout 15, retries 3, output 2, keep alive. That's it. Hey bro, same verbalizer shows no database in mine and shows in yours. Yeah, it's sometime it's because of I have found more directories than you. Your browser didn't find any directories and it didn't made any cache file to your browser. That's why it didn't your verbalizer didn't find any information about the database. So when you dig more and more and you use automated tool, it find the cache files or that stuff, and it find the technology. So maybe that's how it works. Aditya Kumar, good night, good night. Okay, it's stuck. I think it's stuck. Please, brother. Please for what? I'm not getting it. Your message is not coming into my YouTube panel. Your message is not visible into my YouTube chat. So I can't see what you are chatting. I am seeing only please brother, please. So you are writing something that YouTube removes it. Okay, let's close this. We don't need this. We don't need this either. Oh, look at this. What happened? I think the WAF connection timeout. I think the WAF blocked us. Bro, try on. Yeah, yeah. Oh no. Bro, try on website that I gave you. Can you please give me the website one time again? This one you can try on right now. We can also see. What? I'm very confused. Oh, you do YouTube. Okay. Let me check. Let me check. XSS in Easy Fun. Core business logic bug. Critical Next.js. I think when the critical Next.js bug was found, everything covered that. Every YouTuber, everyone made video about that vulnerability. Above message, read I gave URL. Your URL is not shown. I can't see your URL. Sorry, I am late. Kindly tell me what is going on. The live stream is over. The stream is over now, brother. You came back so late that the stream is over. Root, welcome to the stream. Legacy, welcome to the stream. By the way, let we showed some, you know, we showed some in point how you can find endpoints, hidden endpoints. You can watch this stream later. Don't worry. Even now you can't see. Um, where is the URL? The URL is not in the YouTube chat. Brother, I am a beginner. Kindly tell me your stream is for beginners. Yeah, it's completely for beginners. It's completely for intermediate. I don't know it's for like expert or not, but it's for beginner and intermediate. If you are beginner, they're completely okay. Like completely okay. If you like if you invest 60 INR in a month on me, which is very low, I guess. So that will be very good thing if you are a beginner, because in public live stream I don't explain a lot of thing, but in the private members only stream I explain everything. You can ask me anything, there will be a priority chat, everything. You can ask me question in private, there is a Discord link, private chat, like a lot of thing going on in the back end. So I prefer for a beginner, go for members only. Take members if you can. Why to start? Like from today, or should I watch the previous two? Watch previous streams as well and complete the series. Complete the series like one by one. And if you can invest, watch the members only videos as well. Okay, it's very negligible amount, 60 rupees. And I think that would be a very good option. The members only video has like uh, very beginner approach, very beginner. I explain everything in there, like how to approach a big company, small company, everything. What is subdomain, what is asset, all of that thing. Give me your Discord link. I will do right now once I check in live. There is a Discord link in my channel. Go into my channel about section, and then there will be a Discord link. Bro, can you tell me the best platform for bug hunting? I think it's Integrity, HackerOne, Bugcrowd. Those are all the new. Those are all the popular one. And if you're from India, then there is then there is one platform, Bugbase. It's new. It's a very good platform to start with for newbie. Yeah, yeah. For newbie, if you're from India, you can go with Bugbase. Bugbase.ai. Bro, what is the best way to self-learn in bug hunting? Practice. Practice is the best way to learn. I'm from Park. How can I? How can I? You're from Prague. You can buy. You can just take membership. That's it. If it is possible in your country. Wait 5 minutes. I will send you. Okay. Hi brother. Hi Mahesh. Welcome to the stream. Expired. What are you talking about? Let me check. It should not expire. I put like non-expirable link. You see. Look at this. You go to my channel. Ignore the image. This is more. This is the Discord link. Okay. You click here. You will get to invite. Look, it's not expired. It's not expired. I'm sending into chat. Join now. There is already like 60 more peoples. Bro, need HTTP request smuggling plus RC is mostly found. Okay, okay. Contact me through what? Bro, need HTTP request smuggling plus rest condition. It mostly found. Okay, if you found this and you need my help, you can contact me in Discord. And yeah, I can take a look. Maybe I don't know. There is a lot of thing going on right now. I think that was it for today, guys. That is like 30 minutes of talk. Okay. Good night, everyone. Like the stream if you are new, and if you have not liked the stream, and if you found this stream useful, then you know what to do. Okay. Bye bye. I just sent one stick for 10 minutes extra. What is the best way to start hunting, automation or manual? The best way, if I say like for beginners, you can start with automation, but by time you will switch on manual for sure. So you can start with automation. Okay, let me check. Okay, my internet is not working somehow. Let me turn on my fan. What is happening to Discord right now? Discord, why are you not working? What happened to you? I didn't get any. I did not get any. Oh, I got. Don't share videos. Don't share videos, guys. Okay, don't share videos. Sharing videos is prohibited, so please maintain that. You can share videos privately. Share the video privately in Discord chat. Send the video privately, and I will check that. Okay. All right, guys. I think it's enough. Tata. Bye bye. Good night. If you have any question, you can ask me Discord. The Discord. Bye bye. Good night.
I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me. I saw no shadow. I looked around, searched every building and home that I found. I saw no shadow, but felt a glow. The warmth inside me.